Carbon fiber drone arms, car trims, and bike frames come from sheets on this cutter. Handles thin prepreg and thick plates with no dust or frayed edges at all. The oscillating blade leaves clean cuts so parts fit perfectly without sanding. I just load the DEX file, push start, and let the machine do all the work. You get professional carbon pieces ready for assembly straight off the table. No more messy carbon dust in your workshop or hours of post-processing. Real parts used in racing, automotive, aerospace start with a clean cut here.
Remia dare to create.